Well, today's the last day of summer. Listen to those birds up in those trees. They must know it. The trees must be right full. We can't see too many of them, but look at them all. They're all saying, "Come with me, let's go." Oh, look at that. Winter's coming. There's a couple of stragglers. Go find your friends. These ones are coming from over the house, so they're not coming from the trees in the backyard.